Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share our video, subscribe if you have not subscribed before, and also after watching this video, try as much as possible to comment on it, for moderation. On this video, I'll be walking you on movement of a couple. Movement of a couple. I think you know what is a couple. We are scrolling a boat and other things like that. That is what is called movement of a couple. Just in case you want to reach us, you can comment below or you make use of that number 382 344 95990. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. Either of the three. Telegram is allowed. Either of the three. Okay. Now I'll be walking you through movement of a couple. That is very, very simple. It's a simple part of physics, but there are some questions that was posted to me early yesterday, which I need to provide solution. And I discovered that there is no video on it on my video on our channel. That is why I'm working on it now. Now let me quickly state it for you. Let me state the principle that guide this. Okay, you can see the moment of a couple is defined as the product of one of the forces and the perpendicular distance between the lines of action of the two forces. That is very, very important. Now, let me try to relate what I'm saying here to real life situation. This shall be the force, and this also can be a force. Now, this is going to be force, this is going to be force. And from here to here, sorry for my hand, I didn't draw very well. From here to here, we call it x, which is the distance I'm talking about. It means the moment itself, what I'm trying to explain there of a couple is equals to force multiplied by what? The distance, which means my force multiplied by perpendicular distance or distance. Let me use the word distance. Now, my force times distance. That is what I mean by that. Now, with this, that is all what you need to do on understand as far as this movement of a couple is concerned. Now, let me try to show one or two examples on this area, on the regard, so that for you to understand what I'm trying to explain very well. Now, look at this problem. Now, look at this question. I have this problem here. Now, look at this very simple question. I have a very nice question. This can come in form of objective. It's a very simple one. Now, I have the force as 15 Newton, and I have the distance as 0.75 meter. Please take note of this unit. It's very important. As far as you are on a Newton, this must be in what? In meter, not in. Now, if it is centimeter, it means you need to do some little conversion. Now, how do I solve this problem? Solution to this problem. Now, the first thing I need to do, the moment of a couple, just know that moment of couple equals to one force multiplied by what? Perpendicular distance. Now, that is very, very important. Now, which I have one of the force is 15 Newton multiplied by the perpendicular distance is going to be 15. Is 0.75. Please take note of this. Is already in meter. Now, by so doing that, I can have it as 15 multiplied by 75 divided by 100, which by so doing this, it will be 11.5. It will be 11.25 Newton meter. Yes, that is going to be Newton meter. Please, the SI unit is very, very important. That is what I mean. Now, before I end this place, there is not much on it. Let me try to show one more example, that will illustrate what I've been talking about. I will work on the next video will be on the triangular forces. That is very simple also. Now look at this problem. Now look at this simple question. It's a very simple one. Two forces, each of magnitude 25 Newton, act in opposite at the opposite end of the circular ring. If the diameter of the ring is, that will be 65 centimeter. Calculate the magnitude of the couple acting on the what? On the ring. This is a very simple question. Very, very simple. But this is a bit logical. Number one, you have to figure out this. You must not use it like that because we are talking about what? Newton per Newton meter. Now, what I need to do, I can draw a circle like this. Now, I have diameter. Diameter is a line that cuts circle to two equal parts. This should be centimeter. Now, the first act this way. This should be force. Now, it means this one will be what? 25 Newton and 25 Newton. That is very, very important. Now, what to do now? You must convert this to what? Meter. And we're told that it will be 100. We know that 100 centimeter make 1 meter. And we have 65 centimeter make x. You don't know it meter. It means when you cross multiply, you have your x 100 equals to 65. If I go side by what, it means I have my what? 65 divided by 100, which it will give me 0.65. It's 0.65 meter. Now, it's 0.65 meter. I've successfully converted to that. Now, it means I will now say that what? Moment of a couple equals to force multiplied by perpendicular distance. This is my distance. I'm sorry to say that. It means what is my force? My force is 25 Newton multiplied by this one will be what? 0.65 meter. Now it means I'll be having if I were you, I can even say it this way, which also implies 25 multiplied by 65 divided by 100. You are saying the same thing because here 1, here 4. Yes, it's just it. And I can now divide further, which I'm going to be having 16.25 Newton meter. That is all about that. Now you can see that movement of a couple is very, very simple. Don't be far, in the next video I'll be working on the triangular form of it. Once again, you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Thanks for watching.